Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you make Wix website load faster? It's going to be a brief explanation, so bear with me on this one. So, improving the loading speed of a Wix website involves several steps that addresses both front-end and back-end optimizations. So, first and foremost, the image optimization. The format uses JPEG for photographs and PNG for graphics with transparency. Okay, so resize image. Okay, basically resize the images to the exact dimensions needed on your websites using tools like Photoshop, online imagery, image compressors, tiny PNG, JPEG optimizer. Okay, so lazy loading important. So enable lazy loading and Wix to defer off-screen images until they are needed. Okay, minimize HTTP requests. Basically, so that's another helpful tip that I could give you guys. So combine files, reduce the number of CSS and JavaScript basically JavaScript files by combining them where everything is possibly manageable. Okay, now inline the CSS basically. So once you've inclined all of these structures, you can basically come up with a format that is manageable. So the CSS and the JS. So make sure that critical CSS and make sure to defer basically on non-critical CSS. So place JavaScript at the bottom of your pages to use a async or defer attributes. So use your content delivery network, so the CDN, as you all know. Wix automatically uses CDN to deliver your site's assets from server closest to your visitors, basically. So to ensure it's enabled in your Wix settings, make sure. And enable browser caching, basically. So adjust caching headers to leverage browse caching, basically the caching for statics resources. It's really important. So Wix manages some of this automatically, but check with their basically randomly check from time to time with their support settings for customizations. That's the beautiful thing about Wix is they have support settings basically amped up by AI. Okay, so thank God for AI, right? Improve your Wix apps and features. Limit apps. So use only essential applications to avoid unnecessary script and code loads. Code injections. Minimize custom code injections such as poorly optimized or third-party scripts. They can really slow down your optimization, which is not what we need on this particular process that we are involved in. Improve your server response, basically. So while you can't exchange Wix's servers directly, ensuring your site's structure is efficient, it really helps. So optimizing database, use efficient coding practices, and minimize redirects. So mobile optimization, if you're using the mobile one, test and optimize your site for mobile devices using Wix's mobile editor. They do have mobile editor, FYI. So ensure images, fonts, and layouts are responsive and load effectively on smaller screens, because a lot of these prompts may look really pleasing in the eye on a larger screen like a laptop or even a PC, but when it comes to a mobile screen, it all gets cropped down and there's hassle there. You have to like zoom in. The customer sort of like has to zoom in order see what's really actually in there. So it really helps a lot if you know the optimization when it comes to mobile and optimizes its performance. So that's just basically it. I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.